Hello again, dear students. Another video from my home studio about how to get in and work on some of the things we've been posting here. Alright, so here's my class. Here's that code. If you haven't joined yet, please join. Right? So, right now I want to talk about this math week 2. Okay, so this is multiplication and division revision, right? So a lot of us already know how to do these things, and a lot of us are just practicing, okay? And practice is the best kind of learning we can do right now, okay? So there's also some time and date questions on this in this packet, okay? So it says read and solve and type your answers in the document. Try to do 1 or 2 pages each day. Save your work and click submit when you finish. Okay, so this is another Google document. Click right on it and it'll open this Google Doc that you can work right in, right? So start off by putting your name on your paper. Oops, still loading there. Okay, Miss Hannah. And if you'll check it out, look, it saves automatically. But just check up there and make sure it is saving. Okay, I'm going to click out of that header and look, we've got these multiplication triangles. And here, this one, some of them are already filled in for you. So your job is to fill in the blank boxes. Look at 2 times 7 equals 14. What's another multiplication equation we can gather from this triangle? We've got 2 times 7, so I'm going to say we're probably going to start with 7 times 2. What does that equal? 14. All right, how about this division one? We've got 14 divided by 7 equals 2. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. What if you do 14 divided by 2 equals 7? All right, so we're going to go down, do all that, fill in those boxes. Got a couple pages of that for you. And look at, here we've got some of the same multiplication and division triangles, but they're missing numbers, right? So your job is to put in those missing numbers in there, the boxes below. So look, we've got 24 divided by 8. Now, if we think 24, right? Now you might want to use your notebook again to write down how you're solving these equations. Maybe you've got them memorized, but maybe you need a little help, right? So I like to start with 24. What if we subtract 8? 24, 23, 22, 21, 29, 16. Okay, what if we subtract 8 from 16? You know that one, 8. So look at how many 8s have we got there? 3 8s. So what's our answer? 24 divided by 8 equals 3, which means that 3 times 8 equals 24. Okay? Same thing. Sometimes you're going to just multiply. Sometimes you're going to have to divide. Going through here. Got a couple pages of that. Ooh, looks like 4 pages of that. And then we're on to date and time. Look at, is October 12th a Thursday or a Friday? You know, look at the calendar, type your answer right in there. In which week, the first week, second week, the third week, or the fourth week of the month is October 12th? Which week? Is it the first week, the second week, the third week, or the fourth week, or the fifth week? Look at October has 5 weeks. Okay, on October 12th, Anita says, Purdy's puppies are due in 3 weeks. How many days must Purdy and Pongo wait for their puppies? How many days are in 3 weeks? How many days are in 1 week? Okay, a couple more questions. Now we're on to time. Okay, look at what time is it? Okay, here's a little explanation of how to read time. Look at the shorthands on the 4, the longhands on the 12. It's 4 o'clock. Okay, what time is it here? Look, we've got the shorthand on the 8 and the longhand on the 12. Is it 8 o'clock or 1 o'clock? Write your answer right there. Okay, Some more time. Ooh, what time is it here? Is it 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock? Write your answer. Oops. Make sure you click right there, right? A or B, or you could write the time too. Ooh, here we've got a little puzzle. Okay, so we know that 60 minutes makes an hour, and 30 minutes makes half an hour. 30 minutes past 1 o'clock is 1:30. Look at 1:30. Okay. On Monday, Lightning, that's this car. Have you seen that movie? Lightning practiced racing for 1 hour. How many minutes did he practice? He practiced for minutes on Monday. Okay. Same thing, answering those questions. Some more time. Look, we've got 25 minutes after 3 o'clock. Ooh, look at 25 minutes. 50 minutes after 3 o'clock. 50 minutes. Or 10 minutes to 4 o'clock. Now, look at 1. This is number 1. What is that? Minutes after o'clock. Look at there. How many minutes there? 10 minutes after 3 o'clock. And typing those answers right in there. Okay, here we go, moving down. Ooh, what month is it? Is it January, April, or November? Right, you can write the month or the letter. Okay, and that's it for that document. Multiplication, division, some times and dates. Okay, happy math! And remember, you can always leave questions in the classwork stream. Right there. Miss Hannah. Okay, or you can just leave a note and say, hey, hey. All right, see you next time.